Soften butter hacks. Hacks is what they call it now. Grate it. I saw this. Have you seen them grating butter if it's too hard?
Yes.
We're doing that. Look.
It looks like the stuff that you stuff baskets with.
We're back with Vince's at Home. And this week we bring to you a few of our favorites from Country Harvest. It's a Canadian brand. It's been around forever.
I haven't seen this one though.
This is new.
This one's a whole grain and protein blend.
So our friends from Country Harvest, we talked to them. We said we want to put a video on about some really healthy bread for that time of year when we're all looking for something a little healthier. And they said, okay, we'll give you kind of our top 3. 14 grain, and then this is their #1 performing bagel, which is the Everything Bagel. Everything is super popular. And this is their fastest growing product.
I would buy this one, 13 grams of protein.
Why would you buy it?
The protein.
If anything has protein, Kristen is a big fan.
3 grams of fiber.
3 grams of fiber, but another one has more fiber. You know which one has the most fiber?
This 14 grain one must have more
6
fiber.
grams of fiber.
And 10 grams of protein.
It's healthier than you would think it is.
I don't think this one would have as much protein.
Don't look at that. That's just
8 grams.
So they're all high in protein. So you're saying I can eat bread and it's still healthy?
I think so.
Why is everyone so against bread? I love bread. So let's not cut bread out of our life. Let's introduce healthier bread. So did you know that Country Harvest has a lovely website with a ton of recipes? This is an inspired recipe from Country Harvest, and there's a bunch, but we picked this.
A Brie and Pear grilled cheese with balsamic glaze.
I love grilled cheese, so this is making me happy. Do we have ketchup? You have to have ketchup. Or is that wrong with if it's like a savory or healthy?
We're doing the balsamic glaze, Giancarlo.
Crushing my dreams. And I am going to grate butter, which is something I've never thought I'd ever say. I really like this grater. I don't know what this brand is. Can you read that? Like what it says?
Microplane?
I'm going to butter the bread. What bread are you gonna use? Protein bread?
Obviously.
Should we do one of each?
Sure.
Is this working? No, this isn't working. It's just balling up again. As soon as you go to spread it on the bread, it just balls. So whoever's lying on TikTok, shame on you. And I did it right. Slice the pear horizontally, removing the core and seeds of the middle slices. Cut the brie into 4 equal pieces.
We don't want it too hot. We don't want it to burn. You want butter on both sides.
Do other people do this, or is it just me? Am I weird? It's brie on the bottom, pear in the middle, brie on the top.
We left out the sage. You can do some fresh sage leaves in there.
When I was a kid, I think this was probably one of the first things that I ever did on my own, was grilled cheese. You flipped your bread early.
It's okay, I'm gonna flip again. I just wanted to make sure that we have good meltage.
Meltage, technical word?
See, you don't wanna cook it at too high of a heat because your outside of bread will burn before your inside melts.
I'm saying meltage.
So first you cut them into squares and then you drizzle with glaze.
Yeah, that looks good. All right, time to eat. I'm going for the 14 grain. That's good. I could dip that in ketchup.
Really good. Really rich. It's nice. I like this small piece. I think this is perfect as like an appetizer. I don't know if I could eat a whole sandwich of
No, I'd make 2 of them.
I took another bite.
I'm gonna eat the other side. I like the balsamic on it. Yeah, it changes it up a bit. Do I have balsamic glaze on my beard? Yeah. This is really good.
Yeah, I really like it. So you have to go to Country Harvest website, take a look at their recipes.
So if this is good, I'm gonna imagine the other ones are good too.
Yeah, check it out.
See ya.
Thanks, Country Harvest.